Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Megha Vansali Classes. I'm Megha Vansali, ACCA and the Indian Qualified Chartered Accountant. We discuss everything about ACCA in our channel. So today we are bringing to you a very interesting video which is how to crack your ACCA examination in the best possible way. So yes, a lot of times you have done your studies, but then there is something that is going wrong in the examination or in your preparation because of which you're not confident or you're not clearing your exam. So that's why we are bringing you some insider tips on how to crack your examination. Stay tuned till the end because we have very interesting updates for you. And guys, please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share the content with people who require such information. So first of all, to begin with, you have to be thorough with your concepts. Please have good conceptual clarity. If you're finding a particular study material little difficult, like ACCA Study Hub is sometimes little difficult for students to understand because of the language, then you can stick to your Kaplan or your BPP for understanding concepts. So that is one. Please use a very simple material so that you can understand your concepts, have conceptual clarity. And now what I often see is students feel that okay, they have read a particular topic, they are comfortable with it, but however they have lot of understanding gaps in a concept. Now this is where a mentor comes into place, and this is how you should be using your mentor by giving your written answers on a particular topic to them so that they can evaluate it and accurately tell you if the concept you understood is correct or wrong. So please take the help of your mentor so that you get a reassurance that your concept is clear. And also getting your answer evaluated by a mentor will help you understand on how to structure your answer. Is the language appropriate? Is your concept correct? So all of this will kind of help you. So please get your answers evaluated, write as much as possible, and have good conceptual clarity. So that is very important. Second of all is please practice on CB platform, on in Word or in Excel. Please avoid using pen paper because ACCA examination is not a pen paper examination. So a lot of times students do this mistake, especially with the practical papers. They do not practice on Excel. They are very comfortable using a pen paper. But then what happens when you make the switch? You're losing a lot of time of your exam preparation in preparing in the Excel format. So please start using your Excel from day one. Learn the basic shortcuts. You could probably just do some small Excel courses so that you understand basic shortcuts and you can use them effectively. So that is my second tip or second advice. Now the third tip or the third advice is, I think every tutor has emphasized about it. It is there all over the place, but still students don't do it. I don't know why. Please read an examiner's report. It gives you a very detailed analysis of what are the common mistakes that students are making and what is the expectation of the examination. So please read that well. Then, in the examination, what students miss out is understanding the requirement of the question. Now, how do you understand the requirement of the question? Is by analyzing the question. Please spend good amount of time in reading the question. The question will clearly say calculate, it will say discuss, it will say elaborate, it will say explain. Please understand what these words mean. If there is discuss the accounting treatment, the calculation is not going to fetch you marks, not the complete marks, it will fetch you 1 or 2 marks. But if the question says calculate, you don't have to write too much English, just calculation will work. So please decode the requirement of your question very well, because that is what students go wrong with. They know the concepts, but they are not writing as per the requirement of the question. So please read your question well, spend good amount of time in reading your question. So that's another tip. Now, time management is definitely important. Again, what mistakes everyone commits in allocating time is they say 180 minutes is available for a paper. It's 100 marks paper, they say 180 minutes per mark. But guys, you're not allocating time to read the question. Where is that time gone? There is no time. That's why you're not able to complete your paper. So my rule is 1.5 minutes per mark. 30 minutes is left to read your question. So please don't say 1.8 minutes per mark. That is not going to work. It should be 1.5 or 1.2 minutes per mark. That will really help because you're giving good amount of time to read your questions. Now this tip is for students whose examination has not gone well, the result is not as per their expectation. I don't know why students are not making use of this, but ACCA is giving you specific comments on your paper. There is an entire, evaluation feedback given by the ACCA examiner. It is very detailed. It is talking about conceptual understanding, time management, answer structuring. Lot of points have been covered there, and that is very important. Please read and understand where you're going wrong so that you do not repeat the same mistake in your next examination. So that is there. And guys, and I have made a detailed video on how to understand your performance evaluation. The link is given in the description below. You could go check it out on how to access it, what each of the factors mean, how do you make use of it, and how do you improve yourself. So guys, one more important tip is basically when you're reading your answer key, please do not panic. That is not how you're expected to write in the examination. You cannot write such lengthy, long, detailed, explained answers in your examination. Now, what is expected is you write the crux of it and you write according to the marks. Please follow the marking scheme. Read the marking scheme. There is a document available called Read the Mind of the Marker, which clearly states that how marks are evaluated or how marks are distributed for every question. Please read that so you understand that what and how much to be written for a particular answer. Please do not try to replicate your answer key. You are going to lower your confidence to another level. So there is plagiarism that is being followed by ACCA. So what they check is your answer should not have lot of data from the question. Your answer should not have lot of data as per the answer key. So if they feel that your answer key is like a mugged up answer key, you are not going to get marks. So please write in your own words. That's why conceptual clarity is very important. You have a concept clarity, write it in your own words. You will definitely get marks. And there are step markings. So even if your conclusion is incorrect, your logical reasoning is correct, you will still get marks. Okay. So just practice, stay confident, make the most of the ACCA resources available, make the most out of your mentors for guidance. If you require any kind of guidance, you can definitely reach out to me also. I am very happy to help every ACCA student. And guys, please do like our video, share it with people who require such content, and do subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care.